Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy that I can present a nice item made by Rockford Fosgate in 1998. This one has been sent to me by a nice subscriber to do a nice video for you. It's an old school item and it's a Rockford Fosgate PA2, which is something like a preamplifier and EQ. On the front you have two LEDs. The green LED shows signal input and the red LED is a clip indicator. And there's also a switch on the left. It says input AB. If it's pushed in, you have input A. If it's pushed out, it's input B. And on the back side you have the power connector for ground, remote and B+, battery plus. And you have gold-plated RCA jacks for your subwoofer output, your rear output, the front output, and you have input A and B. There you can adjust the onset of clipping. You can change the illumination from red to green just by using the small switch on the left side.
I promise I'm going to clean up this pot.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time for another video. Bye bye.